Well, here we are for the blizzard of '96. It started snowing sometime after midnight last night. So I'll take a few shots around and we'll see how it progresses. All that's been on television all day is the snowstorm and what they're doing about it and why everybody should stay home. Big war conference. And here's a little guy that's enjoying the snow. Oh, you like the snow? You don't mind, do you? There's our little bashful girl statue out back. And as you can see, the snow's creeping up on her. Got a little snow cap on. So we'll check back in about an hour and see how high the snow is then. Let's say, judging by the top of the birdhouse, we got about 8 inches right now. There's a cardinal on the other side. The thing swings around. It's not going to do it though, I guess. It's a big cardinal too. They don't usually feed on the feeders. They usually feed on the ground. Now we'll check back in another hour or so and see if she's buried. I noticed that one flower pot's covered up out there, but we'll check back with you. It's about up to a foot now. Judging by what's on the bird feeder and the grill and the bench and all, it's getting there. That birdhouse out there has got a nice little roof on it. There, a couple hours later, it's getting higher. So I wouldn't be surprised by tomorrow that thing would be almost covered, our little bashful girl. They just said on television that there's a good chance that if this thing keeps on going, we could get up to 4 feet around the DC area, and that means we'll probably get it up here too. So we'll keep track of it. The little birdhouse getting quite a cap on it too. Tried to call Gretchen and she just advised me that our phones are dead. So we're liable to be here till spring.
Notice to all Maryland residents age 65 and over. The recent changes to Medicare require you to pay more than ever before. Glass and Blue Shield coverage, your claims will be filed for you automatically, so you do very little paperwork. And check our competitive rates. Call for free information.
Hi guys. They like it out there in the snow. This is the last shot I'll get tonight of the little bashful girl. But as you can see, the snow is getting deeper and deeper. So we'll probably check back with you tomorrow. It's a pretty scene here. Check with you later.
At Sutter's Mill, and the California Gold Rush began, and the Russians didn't have any part of it. That's pretty much what happened to them a number of years later when they sold their Alaska holdings to the
coming up to about 24 inches here. There's a windmill out there. That's see the accumulation on the bench. It's getting pretty deep. And as I say, it's not over yet. It's really just about halfway over. So we'll keep you posted. Ooh, look at that breeze starting. We'll keep you posted as it progresses.
Salt, right? Buy salt today.
That's exactly right.
Thank you, Jane, very much. Liz?
Well, if you do end up on the roads, here are some helpful tips from the Maryland State Police. If you do become disabled in the snow, they advise that you
Well, the
do not
mailbox
leave
is
your
almost
car.
gone.
Instead, stay inside your vehicle and try your best to stay warm. Move
Where our little girl was, but she's all gone. So I guess that means it drifts at least 3.5, 4 feet high. Looks like the snow's over. Well, still a little wind out, but for the most part, I think that's probably all we're going to get. There's a windmill. Storm's finally over. Got a fair amount of snow. There's what's supposedly our bench. Can't really see much. That's the birdhouse where the Conehead family lives, in that little birdhouse. Come in, huh? You guys cold? Are you guys cold? It's not so cold out. There's my grill. See, it's safely tucked away under that protective blanket. But it'll all disappear. There's my bench. But you can't tell it's a bench right now. There's a driveway we shoveled out yesterday. And here's a little path I just shoveled today. Take a little stroll out here. See what the road looks like. Luckily, the snow's pretty light, so it wasn't too back-breaking, but it was enough. Snowplow kind of tipped the mailbox over when it came through. Pretty scenery. I haven't seen a car through here, anything other than the plows, all day. Not a thing. The roads, if they could get out. But as you can see, there's not much chance of getting out for a while. I'm not about to dig all this. Oh, that's a lot of snow. There's Phyllis in the doorway. I hope they built that garage roof good and strong. There's a lot of snow up there. I'm sure it'll hold. Well, this pretty much records the 96 snowfall. So we'll cut her off for now. See you next time. Well, we finally got everything pretty much dug out, plowed out and all. And guess what? It's snowing again. Take a little tour through our little pathway here. Kind of fun digging into stuff. I don't know if you can see the snow or not, but it's coming down pretty good again. So we may be in for a whole nother session. Chelsea was up here. I'd dig a little hole in this wall and make a little igloo for her. She'd love it. Well, again, we'll keep you advised. A shot from the other end, looking down into the garage. Really very little of any traffic. There's a tractor down there cleaning up. Hoping the mail lady comes. We got the mailbox dug out. Yeah, I think you can see the snow there. It's Friday, and as they predicted, we're getting it again. Started sometime during the night. Phyllis said when she got up at 5:30 this morning, it was already going, and as you can see, it's still going. So who knows how much more we're going to get. We've already got probably about 5 or 6 inches on top of what we already had, which was about 30, so we're getting there. They keep trying to put bird seed out, but the snow keeps blowing and covering it all over, but we'll keep them fed. It stopped snowing. I might as well get the last little recording done here of what we got here. Some big mounds. I haven't even cleaned out this pathway yet since the last snow. But anyhow, I think it's almost done. I'm going to go out back now and take some pictures of the back. Out back, the shed's got a pretty good load of snow on the roof. Yeah, look at that. It's got to be about 5 or 6 feet on there. And here's the path I dug to go over to my wood pile. I don't know if you can see it or not. But the only way I could get wood in today. Sure, I'm definitely building the house closer to the wood pile. And looking around at the deck. Probably took this before, but this just shows you what the level of the snow is. That's a bench out there. There's a grill. I'll be firing it up soon. About 20 couple of degrees right And so for the snowstorm of 96, hopefully we're signing off. And we're hoping this is all we're going to get. But you never know. We'll keep you